We need 1 apple, cut the apple into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need 2 lemons. Cut the lemons into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Take the apple slices in a saucepan. Add lemon slices. Add cinnamon stick. Add bay leaf. Add a glass of water. Now boil the mixture over low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. Now take it in a cup. Add a spoon of honey. It's optional. Drink 1 cup of this drink daily before breakfast. We suggest that you drink it on an empty stomach. When you drink this drink on an empty stomach, it works fast and burns your excess fat magically. Cause the combination of all ingredients that we use here create an extra magical power that burns excess fat and helps to prevent fat accumulation. So you can try this drink, and if you are obese, continue to drink for 15 days. You will notice the changes after a week. I hope after that you will get a flat and taut belly. Follow an effective diet chart and perform some exercises regularly that add extra benefit for weight loss. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.